Here are some Office suites that you can use for absolutely free. The first one, of course, that you may already know is Google Docs at google.com/docs. And the next one we have is the online office. Just go to office.com. We also have the downloadable suites like Braille Office at thebrailleoffice.org, OpenOffice at openoffice.org, Free Office at freeoffice.com, and WPS Office at wps.com/office-free. Let's look at the first one here, Google Docs. As you know, Google Docs is actually a suite of Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. So this tree actually represents the typical Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. So we click on this button down here, go to Google Docs. I use Google Docs extensively. So this is how it looks like. This is like your word processor, equivalent to your Microsoft Word. You can create documents here. You have the sheets, Excel sheets here, and also the slides, the equivalent of PowerPoint here. Then you can also have Microsoft Online Office, which you could log in, but you need to have a live account in order for you to use this. I've never used this before, so I'm not gonna go into this in detail. Next, we have the Braille Office, which is a downloadable software, just like your set of Microsoft Office. Just that this is free for you to use without any license fees. You can click on download now here to download the entire suite, or you can also try Apache OpenOffice here. I never used this before, so I cannot vouch for this, nor have I ever used FreeOffice. But all these suites are available for you to download for free, so you can go ahead and try them out. The other new one here is actually WPS Office Free. Now, generally it's not free, but this is a free version that they offer, which you can download here.